But first, we're going to tell you about the oldest arts organization in Sarasota. It's the Arts Center, located on city property near the Municipal Auditorium. It celebrated its 75th anniversary last year. Now, the Arts Center is a member-supported art association whose mission is to support the visual arts through education and exhibition.
It is about education, and they are the classes you've seen today, presented by Jill Hoffman-Cowell.
Today, Ron Ranson, whose home is in England, came to show us how he paints, and we had a huge crowd. 95 people came to listen and watch how he accomplishes his paintings, and everyone learns from that.
And then we have exhibitions, and that is really incredible, because per year I think we do over 22 exhibitions. We're closed during the month of August, but we have member shows 3 or 4 times a year. We have open to all, so you don't necessarily have to be a member. We have photography shows just for people who do photography.
Well, first off, today is just a demonstration, and it's open to the public every Sunday from 2 to 4. And you need to call for schedule changes. They do change from time to time. So Sundays, it's people, members, guests, anybody comes on Sunday for the 2-hour demonstration.
Something else. So I'm doing these hills at the back, and a littering crimson.
Everyone that comes to do these demos and workshops has a pretty big reputation nationwide and internationally.
Now, you don't leave it like that. You probably do something else down there.
The workshops are run from Monday through Thursday, and some are 5 days, Monday through Friday. They're all day long from 9 to 3:30.
One of the things that's nice is that if you take the week workshop, usually Jill puts together an evening when we can come together for dinner in a social way, and maybe our spouses can join. And what's exciting too is that you make friends with people from all over the country.
The workshop program is still in the middle of the season, and there's still room for more people to become involved. There's room for volunteers.
We rely heavily on volunteers, and we've been pretty lucky. But also, you don't have to be a volunteer you don't have to be an artist to volunteer here. So we have people sitting here at the desk. We have people who hang these shows. We have an exhibition committee with quite a few excellent volunteers, and they know, how to combine colors and sizes of paintings, which you saw in the other room.
I've been working there for 2 years, and I adopted this watercolor workshop program. After we got it going and I learned the interest in it, we just kept adding more and more and more people. And now we are introducing more beginning type classes. We're trying to fulfill the needs of the membership and the community at large. So we're having all different levels in the upcoming years, next year and upcoming.
I retired 3 years ago, and as you can tell from my accent, I'm Dutch, but I lived in England for 10 years, and we decided to stay here in America, and then we looked for nice places to retire to, and Sarasota came to the top of the list, and we visited here about 4 or 5 times before we actually moved here. And of course it was the Ringling Museum, but also I've been to this art center, and what is unique to a European is the involvement of volunteers. You don't see that. In Europe it's all paid people, and here you get, when I came here for the first time, there was an enthusiastic lady sitting at the front desk asking me how she could be of help. And then I became more involved at the Art Center, and it's all based on volunteers. We only have a few very dedicated staff here, and of course we can't afford a lot more, but it's all done with a few dedicated staff and all these volunteers. And that is, I think, unique in America, and I think here also at the Art Center we're very lucky that all these people are helping us, running it and setting up the shows and helping Jill with her classes. So that impressed me greatly.
I love the Art Center. Oh, yes. I mean, to me, it's fantastic, to come into Sarasota and have an opportunity of taking workshop and also going into some of the shows that they have. it's very rewarding, and you feel very much at home here.
The Newtown community.